Good. I'm good, sir.
So, what brings you to this service? Why do you want to join it?
I have a inclination for traveling and exploring nature, and I was brought up in Rourkela, Odisha, which itself is located in a forested area. So naturally, I had inclination for wildlife and forest. So that's it.
Have you ever been to some protected area before?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Sir, Dalma Forest Sanctuary is located around my uh, current residence in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. And
Okay.
near Manoharpur Saranda Jungle Forest Division and Chakrata Forest Division in Uttarakhand. I have visited that place multiple times. So these are many places
Okay.
I visited.
Okay. So, I'll be asking few forest related questions to you, right?
Yes,
What
sir.
do you mean by ecological succession?
The ecological succession is kind of gradation where across each step of succession we see a diversity of species means flora and fauna increasing and means the richness species richness increases as well as complexity in terms of food chain and food web increases along that chain.
Okay. What do you mean by rotation? Rotation period.
Yes, sir. The rotation period is the time period from the time the tree actually is planted that it's stable in the soil to the final time we log it out for harvesting, commercial harvesting.
Okay. Only for commercial harvesting, or there are different types of rotation periods?
So there are different types of rotation periods.
Okay. So, have you heard about this case related to forest, which is considered a landmark judgment? Do you know which case I'm talking about?
Uh, Sir, Godavaran judgment for forest,
Goda
definitely.
Varman case. Okay, okay. And what are the key points that were mentioned in the erstwhile judgment?
The Supreme Court has said that until the state center defines gets a proper definition of the forest means center has to allocate proper division the forest percentage across the states for that time until that time any verbal definition any textbook definition of forest should also be included in the definition of forest percentage.
Okay. So they talked about dictionary meaning of forest, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So, uh, which act was it related to? This
Sir,
case
I'm not sure.
came in the backdrop of some act, right? Forest Conservation Act. Okay,
Forest
fine.
conservation.
This act also talked about mining issues
Yes,
in
sir.
successive judgments. Do you know about it?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So, have you read about some forest laws? Are you aware of these?
Yes, sir.
What, as DFO, what all forest laws will you be implementing?
Uh, the Forest Conservation Act of 1980 and Forest Rights Act 2006 and
Are you
Indian
sure
Forest Act.
Forest Rights Act will be implementing?
Yes, sir.
Under which ministry does the implementation comes for FRA?
Ministry of Tribal Affairs.
Okay. And don't you think there is some contradiction in it?
Uh, I think, sir, regarding recognition of rights, the community itself has to propose the name for those residing there. But for identification of the minor forest produce and many other issues, forest officials are involved there indirectly.
And what are different stages, right? There are different stages under FRA. What are those stages?
Yes. I'm not sure about this.
Okay. And what all other acts we are talking about?
So, Forest Conservation Act is regarding diversion of forest land for non-forest purpose.
Okay. Right. So you uh, come from Odisha, Jharkhand, even Raipur, Chhattisgarh, right?
Yes, yes,
There is some social problem which also has security connotations associated with it, which is prevalent across these three states. Do you know which is that problem?
mining, sir.
Security is also associated with it, associated with
Uh,
Red Wing, Red Corridor,
Naxalism, sir.
Left Wing, right, Naxalism, right? So, as if suppose you were DFO in a area which was associated with left wing extremism, what would you do to reduce the total impact of it?
Sir, as a civil servant, the only way to uh, get things right in a area which is affected by left-wing extremism is to win the public trust. Because Naxals give an idea of a parallel state. They don't go for Indian state. They're against the idea of Indian state. So as a civil servant, I need to be very objective in my uh, working in those sensitive areas. I need to be more accessible and available for the local people. And slowly, if I am able to win their public trust, then only they can have a two-way interaction. And upon building those that trust, I can solve
So
the
you have to
problem.
be a little more specific on how you're going to win public trust, or you can be more accessible. Let's do three different specific
Yes,
points.
sir. Under Triffitt scheme, Minister of Tribal Affairs, they mark out various products that can be sold on Amazon or Flipkart. So there is lack of knowledge among the poor tribals about these schemes and other things. So as a civil servant, I can do this is to provide a channel to the market, to these poor people or to the all those buyers and seller like an intermediary. And another thing can be use of social media to propagate their products. And second thing is regarding their rights, uh, because I can talk with the other officials from other administrative departments, like there are various facilities for food distribution, education of children. So if they are going to get those facilities, they would be much more satisfied and the
Okay. So
trust
have
would
you heard
be.
about this forest villages? Have you heard about it?
I'm not sure about this.
Mhm. Okay. So I can see that you watch nature documentaries. What all
Yes,
documentaries have you watched? Or you like watching?
sir. For example, on BBC they have a documentary like River Monsters by Jeremy Wade, Man versus Wild, and on Netflix we have documentary Our Planet. So they have series running like life beneath life in the forest, from deserts to forest, or life in Antarctica. So such kind of documentaries on Netflix. Various
Have you
documentaries
watched
like
this documentary by Mike Pandey, which is associated with Jharkhand or Odisha, if
no,
you
sir.
may? No, the last
No, sir.
migration. You may want to watch it, right?
Okay.
Okay, and you also practice digital art, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what is that tool that you use for it? Software, or what do you use?
Sir, it is an inbuilt software in my tab. It came with the Samsung tab. So I use digital pen for the sketching. And one idea is to get a black canvas and just using the eraser, I could just carve out any shape out of that. Means I have a black canvas and using eraser, I could leave white imprints and that would look like any painting or any kind of portrait, something like
Okay, fine. I'll ask the next panelist to take over now.
Uh, okay, Satvik, are you there?
Yes, yes.
All right.
गुड इवनिंग विनीत,
गुड इवनिंग सर.
कैसे हो?
बढ़िया सर.
जमशेदपुर से हो?
हाँ सर.
कहाँ से जमशेदपुर में?
सर जुग सिलाई के पास से.
कहाँ से?
जुग सिलाई सर.
अच्छा, तो एक बात बताओ, अब जमशेदपुर में भी माइंस है तो जमशेदपुर का विकास हो गया, धनबाद में कोयला है, धनबाद का नहीं हुआ, छत्तीसगढ़ में इतना सारा मिनरल्स है, झारखंड में इतना मिनरल्स है, पर जहां जहां मिनरल ज्यादा है उसका विकास नहीं हो रहा है। जहां नहीं है, दिल्ली का अपना कुछ नहीं है, पर विकास हो रहा है। तो मिनरल होना अच्छी बात है कि नहीं है?
सर मिनरल होना डिसएडवांटेज तो नहीं है कहीं से भी। तो सर कुछ पॉलिसीज के कारण वो हुआ है, जैसे फ्राइट इक्वलाइजेशन पॉलिसी था। तो कि इंडस्ट्रीज अपने मनमाने जगह पे आ सकते हैं अगर उनको रॉ मटेरियल का प्राइस सिमिलर रेट पे मिल जाए। तो कोस्टल एरियाज में इंडस्ट्रीज लोकलाइज हो गए हैं। और जैसे आपने से जमशेदपुर का बोला, तो जमशेदपुर में टाटा स्टील का बहुत बड़ा रोल है सर, धनबाद के कंपैरिजन में, जहाँ धनबाद में एक नेशनलाइज कंपनी काम कर रही है। और जमशेदपुर में टाटा स्टील सर काम कर रही है। तो टाटा स्टील का बहुत बड़ा रोल है सर जमशेदपुर के डेवलपमेंट में, पूरी सिटी उसके अराउंड डेवलप है।
तो फिर टाटा को ही दे देते हैं। फिर गवर्नमेंट कंपनी कह रहे हो पॉलिसीज का इशू है, तो फिर प्राइवेट कंपनीज को ही दे देते हैं। गवर्नमेंट क्यों ये सब?
सर सर टाटा स्टील के अराउंड एग्लोमरेशन का इफेक्ट है सर, क्योंकि एक स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज के आसपास बैकवर्ड और फॉरवर्ड लिंकेज के टाइप से केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज और बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्रीज, जैसे कि हमने देखा टाटा के और भी बहुत सारे प्लांट्स हैं। तो वाइड रेंज ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट होता है। और आयरन एंड स्टील में अंडर एम्प्लॉय, मतलब कोल सेक्टर जो धनबाद में है, वहाँ अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट के केसेस है बहुत। पुअर सोशल कंडीशन में लोग, जो लोकल लोग वहाँ पे काम करते हैं। और टाटा स्टील में नहीं है सर ऐसा केस।
तो विनीत, टाटा को ही दे देते हैं सारी माइंस इंडिया भर में। अगर टाटा इतना अच्छा काम कर रही है तो अब तक गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं दे रही है? और पॉलिसीज में बोल रहे हो कि पॉलिसी का दिक्कत है, तो कौन सी गवर्नमेंट का पॉलिसी अच्छा था और कौन सी जिसने टाटा को दिया वो सही पॉलिसी है और जिसने नहीं दिया वो खराब है? थोड़ा बताओ
नहीं
पॉलिसी
सर,
के बारे में, कौन से ऐसे पॉलिसीज के डिसीजन हैं?
सर एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी हमारे तरफ, मतलब तो हम सबको दे नहीं सकते। कोल कोल हो गया, स्टील हो गया, तो हम कंप्लीटली नेशनलाइज नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि ये डायरेक्टली पावर से, एनर्जी सेक्टर से रिलेटेड है। तो 100% प्राइवेटाइजेशन यहाँ पॉसिबल नहीं है। मतलब कुछ गवर्नमेंट स्टेक्स तो रहेंगे हमेशा इस सेक्टर में,
नहीं,
लेकिन
यू आर
रिसेंटली
नॉट गेटिंग माय क्वेश्चन। व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग इज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पॉलिसीज और पॉलिसी डिसीजन में ऐसा क्या गलत हुआ कि धनबाद नहीं आगे बढ़ पाया, छत्तीसगढ़ नहीं बढ़ पाया, झारखंड नहीं बढ़ पाया? जमशेदपुर में टाटा सेल सिटी 10 या 20 किलोमीटर के अंदर हो जाती है, उसके बाद जमशेदपुर में क्या है? तो व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग इज स्टेट्स which have minerals, which have coal, iron and other things, why are they not developing?
कैसे सर, एक चीज हो सकता है सर, एफडीआई का अट्रैक्शन नहीं हुआ है यहाँ पे। मतलब जितना एफडीआई हमें महाराष्ट्र और तमिलनाडु और गुजरात में आए हैं, तो बाहर की कंपनीज जो वहाँ फैक्ट्री सेटअप किए हैं, एक ये हो सकता है। सेकंड है सर ह्यूमन कैपिटल पे काम करना। जैसे कि पॉवर्टी हो गया, एजुकेशन का फैक्टर हो गया। तो अगर ह्यूमन कैपिटल नहीं है तो वहाँ किसी तरह के इंडस्ट्रीज के डेवलपमेंट के लिए मतलब इश्यूज आएंगे सर, या बाहर से
Vineet,
एफडीआई भी नहीं आएंगे।
Vineet, let me now break this to you. ब्रिटिशर्स आए थे, तुम्हारा कोयला वोयला लेके चले गए, अपना बना लिए, तो ह्यूमन पे तो काम नहीं किए। उनको एफडीआई का जरूरत तो नहीं था। तो पहले सोचो, हो सकता नहीं है, क्या होगा? डू यू नो इट और और यू डोंट नो इट?
सर आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस।
Okay. Have you heard the term silent forest?
नो सर।
Okay. Can you guess?
आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस।
Jharkhand High Court termed Jharkhand forest as silent forest because we don't have wildlife. Do you know any reason why Jharkhand forest do not have ample wildlife or sufficient wildlife while neighboring states like Chhattisgarh, MP, even UP and Bihar has it? Do you know why?
आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस।
How many tiger reserves are there in Jharkhand?
सर वन।
Which is it? Which one is it?
I'm not. I don't remember the name. Sir.
It's Palamu Tiger Reserve. Okay. How many capitals are there in Jharkhand?
Sir, one. Ranchi.
And is there any sub-capital in Jharkhand?
Not sure about this.
Have you heard the name Santhal Pargana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your CM just went to jail last month.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the reason?
No, sir.
भाई विनीत पहली बार आया हो क्या? अभी पढ़ के नहीं आए हो?
सर केस के बारे में डिटेल चाहिए.
ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं. Do you know the sand policy of Jharkhand?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, tell me something which you know about Jharkhand.
Sir, Jharkhand is mineral rich. Like this entire area around the Singhbum, we have old metamorphic granite and OMTG means, and around this shear zone we have a rich deposit of copper and uranium, and lot of iron ore belt spread around this OMTG and OMG
So what
deposits
is
in Jharkhand.
like sorry to interrupt. What is G in OMTG
Nee, sir.
and what is T?
Tonalite.
What? Okay, tonalite. Okay, so what what is आपने बोला कि mineral rich है, there is OMTG. So what is the significance of T कि वो mineral rich है?
Sir, not sure about this.
So what is the significance of OMTG?
Sir, we have lot of ferrous mineral deposit along this belt, OMG,
Okay,
along
so
with
like
these.
why
Like,
Singhbum has so much minerals, right? Why Singhbum has so
yes.
much minerals? What is the geological reason behind it?
Shearing cells, shear zone, it is located along the shear zone.
All right. So like how shear zone located है तो उससे क्या significance है? Mineral कैसे आते हैं?
शेयर जोन से कई बार मतलब अंडरग्राउंड के मिनरल एक्सपोज हो जाते हैं सरफेस में थोड़ा मतलब बिलो द सरफेस.
Okay, so
शेयर
it
जोन्स आर
is a
मिनरल
place of
रिच.
localization of mineral. सात्विक सर.
गैंगटिक डॉल्फिन के बारे में जानते हो विनीत?
हाँ सर.
क्या है? क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड, इंडेंजर्ड क्या है?
सर गैंजेटिक डॉल्फिन सर क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड और एंडेंजर्ड के विषय में.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. झारखंड में है?
झारखंड में साहेबगंज में गैंजेस का स्ट्रेच है, वहां मिलता है. तो
वहां मिलती है?
हाँ सर.
अच्छा, साहेबगंज में राजमहल हिल्स है.
यस सर.
तो वो क्या है जियोलॉजिकली?
सर किस सेंस में?
मतलब जियोलॉजिकली किस तरह की रॉक्स है वो राजमहल हिल्स? किस तरह के फॉर्मेशंस हैं? अभी सिंघभूम का इतना बढ़िया बताया.
I'm not sure about this.
अच्छा, हाउ मेनी जूस आर देयर इन झारखंड?
How many zoos?
जूस.
No sir, no. I don't know about this.
अच्छा, एलिफेंट कॉरिडोर के बारे में जानते हो?
हाँ सर.
कोई नोटिफाइड कॉरिडोर है झारखंड में? झारखंड से हो ना विनीत? गलत पढ़ ली.
हाँ सर.
कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, क्या बता रहे हो? कोई नोटिफाइड कॉरिडोर है?
हाँ सर है.
किधर है?
सर एक जैसे मैं नाम भूल रहा हूँ, जमशेदपुर से उड़ीसा की साइड मनोहरपुर की तरफ जाते हैं तो वहाँ कॉरिडोर एलिफेंट. नाम मुझे याद नहीं.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. अब अच्छा, ऊनो प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में तो जानते होगे?
हाँ सर.
So is it a successful project or a failure?
सर अभी तक बता पाना मुश्किल है क्योंकि अभी रिसेंटली एक न्यूबर्न मतलब मेजरली अभी अडॉप्ट नहीं किए हैं, मतलब जो चीताज आए हैं तो न्यूबॉर्न कब्स अभी बहुत लो परसेंटेज है। और स्टिल अभी मतलब बहुत एग्जैक्ट नंबर्स मुझे याद नहीं, लेकिन बता पाना मुश्किल है इस टाइम पे।
How are African cheetahs are different from Asiatic cheetahs?
सर एशियाटिक चीता ईरान में पाया जाता है और अफ्रीकन चीता मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लेस में, जैसे कि नामीबिया से लेके साउथ अफ्रीका, तंजानिया, तो यहाँ पाया जाता है। और अफ्रीकन चीता सर विंटर कोट्स एशियन चीता से डिफरेंट टाइम्स में प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, क्योंकि डिफरेंट हेमिस्फीयर में है तो वहाँ पे जो विंटर फर है उसका एक्सपेक्टेशन का टाइम अलग होता है। तो इंडिया में उस समर्स में कई बार विंटर फर्स, तो वो एक बड़ा रीजन आ रहा है यहाँ पे।
नहीं तो अभी पहले इंडिया में एशियन था कि अफ्रीकन था?
इंडिया में एशियन था जो आज ईरान में पाया जाता है सर।
तो अभी हम लोग अफ्रीकन ले आए,
हाँ सर।
तो इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं होगा अब?
सर ये एक मेजर इशू था विंटर फर वाला, जिसकी वजह से समर्स के सीजन में जब वो फर डेवलप कर रहे हैं तो पैरासाइट्स और इंसेक्ट्स का अटैक हो रहा है, तो इन्फेक्शन हो रहे थे। एक इशू ये था। और अफ्रीकन चीताज सर थोड़े से स्टड मतलब अलग थे इंडियन कॉन्टिनेंट में पाए जाने वाले चीता से।
African cheetahs never stayed with tiger, lion, leopards. And now you have brought African cheetahs to Kuno, which is a place which has boundaries. So how do you think they are gonna adapt to Indian climate?
Yes, sir. Sir, it will take time, sir, for the Asian. I think we should try for some more locations. I think we should try for some more locations.
I couldn't listen.
Sir, I think we should try some more locations alongside Kono Palpur because they're having similar conditions like Kono Palpur and African subcontinent.
Okay. So have you heard that? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
There are recent amendments in Forest Conservation Act. Do you know what are they?
Recent amendments, sir, center has given various exemptions to the linear projects from the forest conservation and under the Forest Conservation Act for conversion for non-forest purposes, like project along the international borders, 10 kilometers of the international border line and other defense projects. So this was a major change, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Vinit. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Rishabh sir, you can wind up, right?
Okay. So, Vinit,
Yes, sir.
am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So, are you aware of this slash and burn cultivation?
Yes, sir.
What is it, and what do you think? Is it beneficial for the ecosystem?
The slash and burn is about harvesting a crop for multiple seasons, then burning the entire produce and leaving the land barren for 2, 3, 4 seasons accordingly, and then again moving to a new patch of land, repeating the same process in a circular way. And regarding the impacts on environment, uh, sir, it is more or less harmful to the ecosystem, sir, because we find often after slash and burn, we find monoculture being done in those areas. So we need a regeneration of a diverse forest there. So often people exploit that for monoculture. So and again we see a loss of soil organic matter in near terms, and also many flora and fauna are eradicated out of the area.
Okay. So you were born in Brahmpura, Muzaffarpur, right?
Yes, sir.
For how many years have you resided here?
Sir, for 4 years of my early life before schooling.
Okay. Okay. So are you aware of any NH, National Highway, which passes through Brahmpura and it is a part of East-West corridor?
I don't remember the name, sir.
Okay. So
Remember.
can you guess few of the district through which it passes, the National Highway?
Sir, I'm not sure about this.
And can you tell me few districts through which Ganga passes in Bihar?
Yes, sir. Patna, uh, Bhojpur, Begusaray, Khagaria, and Bhagalpur.
Okay, fine. So you have been to Raipur as well, been to
Yes, sir.
Jharkhand as well, right?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
so what's your take on this, the bifurcation of states which took place in 2001, right? So has it been beneficial for the new states?
Yes, sir. So I think the bifurcation was the mandate of people. Like and people were wary of people from plains taking jobs in the hills. Similarly, Chhattisgarh had a very different tribal and cultural identity from Madhya Pradesh. So we have seen some industrial centers being more developed in UP and erstwhile Madhya Pradesh. So after the bifurcation, cities like Raipur, Bilaspur, and Durg developing more, and similarly industrial corridors in Kashipur, Rudrapur coming up, Haldwani. So yes, sir, it was beneficial.
Okay, so you have done your graduation in mining, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me your five subjects?
Five subjects. Any semester, sir.
Any semester.
Yes. Engineering drawings and higher mathematics, geology, and underground mining and surface mining.
And which one of the subjects is your favorite?
Uh, yeah, I would call it higher mathematics.
Okay, fine. So just tell me, what is this first law of motion?
First along motion.
First equation of motion. Just tell me that.
First equation of motion.
Yes.
Sir, I don't, I'm not getting your voice. Question.
Acha, okay, so there were three equations of motion,
Yes, sir.
and I am asking you the first equation.
Okay. Uh, change. It is regarding change in momentum, sir. Uh, momentum is
Okay,
directly for
leave
change
it.
in momentum, directly
Okay,
mass
leave
and
it. Who
velocity.
who is governor of Jharkhand right now,
I don't remember the name.
and who is the vice president of India?
Venkaya Naidu, sir.
Thank you, Vineet. That's all from my side. Over to you, mine, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I think we'll wind up. Just I'll ask one question and then we'll end it, right? End the session. So,
Yes, sir.
like I think you have done some project work on acid mine drainage, a very important issue. So, tell me what is
Yes, sir.
yellow boy in context of acid mine drainage?
Yellow boy. I'm not sure about it.
Okay, tell me what is acid mine drainage and how it impacts ecosystem.
Sir, after mining, when the area is excavated out, so the residual mineral is rich in sulfides. So when it comes in contact with oxygen and water, it turns into sulfuric acid. And through crevices and other outflows, it drains into the local water bodies, local ponds, and in the mine tailing areas. which is rich in sulfur and other heavy metals.
So what is the solution to it? Like how the mining is going on everywhere in the country. So how we can, plug it?
So the first solution can be to bag filling those areas where mining has been done. So it is costly, so often company don't do this. So it should be a task of enforcement agency to ensure that bag filling is done.
Is there any
Second
law?
thing can be
Is there any law which mandate backfilling of the mines?
yes under MMDR mining and minerals development rules. There
For
are
coal,
rules about
for coal also, this is same act is available, applicable, or there is something else?
for it is not applicable for coal, sir.
So what is the law for coal? We don't have to refill.
So I don't remember the name, the rules, something like coal mining regulation under CMR regulations.
Okay, okay. So my last question that like you have been in Jharkhand, Bihar, and Odisha also, but you have opted for Uttarakhand. So what is the rationale behind opting Uttarakhand?
Sir, I have been to Uttarakhand many times, means forest area around Uttarakhand, like to Binsar Sanctuary, to Chakrata, and regions around Rishikesh and
So you went there as
Devrayag.
a
So,
tourist.
yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the reason. Like, so you like the
And
state.
and I have read books on of Jim Corbett on Uttarakhand, the Manitou of Rudraprayag and the Manitou of Champavat.
Vineet, can you tell us the truth? Why Uttarakhand?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us the truth? एक्चुअली में क्यों उत्तराखंड आप ले रहे हो?
सर मेन चीज है कि एक तो वहां पे मुझे फॉरेस्ट का परसेंटेज ज्यादा है तो
नहीं नहीं,
उस
इसके
एरिया
अलावा
में
कुछ पर्सनल रीजंस हैं या एक्चुअल में ये रीजंस है?
नहीं सर ये रीजन तो है और दूसरा है कि जिम कॉर्बेट को मैंने से और उनके जो भी कंटेम्परेरी थे जैसे केनेथ एंडरसन और यू एलन वगैरह तो इन्होंने बुक्स लिखे हैं तो उत्तराखंड
तो
की फॉरेस्ट के ऊपर रस्किन बॉन्ड्स की भी किताब मैंने पढ़ी थी तो
Okay,
एक
okay. So
वहाँ के लैंडस्केप के बारे में आइडिया था
all right. So you are
और
fascinated about Uttarakhand.
रुडयार्ड किपलिंग्स ने लिखी है मध्य प्रदेश के फॉरेस्ट के बारे में, उसके बारे में नहीं पढ़ा आपने?
नहीं पढ़ा है सर
ठीक है,
So, all
ठीक
right,
है.
it was nice talking to you, Vineet. We'll end the session here. ना आप अभी इसको लीव कर दीजिए चैट को. In couple of minutes I will text you for back for the feedback, right? Thank
ओके
you.
सर थैंक यू सर